Welcome back to Great Garden, the gathering place for orchid lovers. What would you do if your favorite orchid suddenly started wilting, its leaves turning yellow and falling, and its roots weakening? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to reveal a simple method to help your orchid recover quickly. And the best part is, it only uses ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Anyone can try this method. It helps the plant revive strongly, grow healthy roots, regain lush green leaves, and even encourages buds to bloom more beautifully than ever. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any orchid care tips. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. To begin making this special organic fertilizer, the first ingredient I choose is aloe vera. Aloe vera is like a green treasure, packed with nutrients, vitamins, and bioactive compounds that help restore and strongly stimulate root growth. First, I cut 2 aloe vera leaves and start chopping them into small pieces. Chopping the aloe vera into small pieces increases its surface area, allowing the nutrients, vitamins, and enzymes inside to be released more quickly and abundantly. This makes the extraction process more effective, resulting in a concentrated, nutrient-rich solution for caring for orchids. Next, I will put all the chopped aloe vera into a blender. Then add 300 milliliters of room temperature clean water. Finally, cover and blend the aloe vera until smooth. Blending helps release the compounds in aloe vera, such as vitamins, enzymes, and the gel, fully into the water. Next, I will strain out the aloe vera pulp. This liquid is the natural nutrient extract from the aloe, containing gel, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals in their most easily absorbable form. Next, I add vitamin B1 to the solution. B1 is not just an ordinary vitamin. For orchids, it acts like a boosting elixir, helping new roots grow quickly and new shoots develop healthily. Rot. I add 1 spoonful of honey to the aloe vera mixture. Next, stir the solution well so that all the ingredients are fully blended. Stirring not only helps the nutrients from the aloe vera and honey distribute evenly, but also activates each nutrient molecule, creating a smooth mixture that can easily penetrate the orchid roots. Next, I add vitamin B1 to the solution. B1 is not just an ordinary vitamin. For orchids, it acts like a boosting elixir, helping new roots grow quickly and new shoots develop healthily. I add 3 B1 tablets to the solution, then stir well until completely dissolved. Stirring ensures that all the nutrients are evenly blended, ready for the orchid roots to absorb optimally, helping the plant recover quickly, develop strong roots, lush green leaves, and more vibrant blooms day by day. Next, add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. That's it. The solution is now ready to be used as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchid right away. Method 1. First, I will pour the diluted aloe vera, honey, and B1 solution into a specialized watering bottle. Then, gently water evenly around the base of the orchid, allowing the solution to gradually soak into the medium and reach the roots directly. The nutrient-rich aloe vera helps new roots develop quickly, while the honey supports natural resistance and antibacterial protection, shielding the roots from rot or fungal diseases. Vitamin B1 acts as a boosting elixir, promoting strong roots, vigorous new shoots, and optimal nutrient absorption. You should water once a week, and once the plant is healthy, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain consistent nutrition. Water gently, avoiding waterlogging so the medium stays well aerated, and the roots can absorb nutrients most effectively. Method 2. Next, I pour the prepared aloe vera, honey, and B1 solution into a small cup. Then use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently wipe each leaf of the orchid carefully. This solution not only helps remove dust, mineral residues, and buildup, but also kills bacteria and mold thanks to the natural antibacterial properties of honey. At the same time, aloe vera and vitamin B1 provide essential nutrients, helping the leaves recover quickly, become lush and healthy, and stimulate the growth of roots and new shoots. Make sure to thoroughly wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients can be absorbed evenly, helping the leaves photosynthesize better, strengthen their resistance, and reduce pest attacks. This method should be applied 1 to 2 times per week and is especially effective for orchids that are weakened, have dull leaves, or have accumulated dust for a long time. Besides orchids, you can also wipe the leaves of other plants in the garden. Here, I will wipe the leaves of an anthurium. Similar to caring for orchids, use a soft cloth or cotton pad lightly soaked with the aloe, vera, honey, and B1 solution, then gently and carefully wipe each surface of the anthurium's leaves. This helps remove dust, mineral residue, and harmful agents clinging to the leaves while supplying natural nutrients from the aloe vera, combined with the antibacterial properties of honey and the strong restorative effect of B1. The result is glossy, healthy leaves that photosynthesize more effectively. With the thick and firm leaves of anthuriums, you should carefully wipe both the upper and lower surfaces so the nutrients can be absorbed evenly, boosting resistance and effectively preventing pests and diseases. This method should be carried out 1 to 2 times per week, and is especially beneficial for weakened plants, those with dull leaves, or ones that haven't been cared for in a long time. Method 3. Mist spraying. Pour the aloe vera, honey, and vitamin B1 one solution into a spray bottle, and mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and even the leaf axils. Mist spraying allows the nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to be evenly absorbed across all parts of the plant, creating a natural protective layer against bacteria, mold, and pests. At the same time, the solution helps the leaves stay glossy and green, enhances photosynthesis, and promotes uniform growth throughout the entire plant. You should mist once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal diseases. Once the leaves are completely dry, you've helped the plant prevent harmful pathogens, reduce the risk of leaf rot and crown rot, and keep it healthy with thick, glossy, vibrant foliage. Since I already have the organic fertilizer solution ready, I'll also mist it on the peace lily. Gently spray around the base and onto the leaves and stems, so the aloe vera, honey, and bee, one solution, can be evenly absorbed by the roots in all parts of the plant. Misting with this solution provides natural organic nutrients, vitamins, and minerals directly to the roots, boosting the plant's resistance and helping it fight off fungal diseases, bacteria, and pests. At the same time, the aloe vera, honey, bee, one mixture also stimulates the growth of new shoots and fresh leaves, keeping the plant consistently lush and healthy. You should spray once a week, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a stable supply of nutrients. For peace lily, its leaves are thicker and firmer compared to orchids, so you don't need to wipe them after spraying. The nutrients in the misting solution will naturally be absorbed through the leaf surface and nourish the plant directly. Results. After being cared for with this method, my orchids have grown vigorously and changed noticeably day by day. You can see many new roots sprouting with plump green tips, a clear sign that the plant is absorbing the nutrients from aloe vera, honey, and bee one extremely well and recovering very effectively. A healthy root system is always the most important foundation for orchids to maintain long-term vitality. The orchid leaves have become a deeper green, glossy, and thicker. Leaves that were once slightly wrinkled or lackluster are now plump and full of vitality, demonstrating that the aloe vera honeybee 1 solution has greatly supported the plant during its recovery and nourishment stage. On plants that previously grew slowly, you'll start to see new shoots emerging. Some pots have even developed new flower spikes, growing vigorously, a clear sign that the plants have fully stabilized, recovered, and are ready for the next flowering season. Each flower that blooms is the result of timely care, the right nutrients, applied gently but effectively. This simple method not only keeps your orchids healthy, but also brings noticeable changes to your entire garden. With patience, your plants will always reward you with vibrant, lively growth. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever tried using aloe vera, honey, or bee1 to care for your orchids? Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear the stories from your garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss the next videos with simple, natural, and highly effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next green journey.